Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app with good settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Aloha app as you see and we click. In this page of app, unfold we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to start your phone again to fix this problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.